What is location-based services? It is actually a service that utilizes geolocating as a source of information and entertainment. In simpler terms, it is the usage and application of information about a particular location. Such services can be easily accessed through a variety of mobile phone apps and internet programs. Some common examples of these would be Foursquare, Near, and Looped. Location-based services play many roles in our everyday lives. Firstly, it is used to identify specific places and things. It can provide services that are able to pinpoint nearby convenient locations. Next, users can also notify their friends and family on the places they have been through the use of LBS. It is just another simple but fun means of networking. Some people use LBS as a virtual diary to keep track of where they've been, while others still use them for entertainment purposes by earning rewards through regular check-ins. Lastly, LBS is also used for security purposes to keep track of their family members' locations.
Now, let's proceed with the problems and solutions by using location-based services, or LBS. We have all heard of the increased crime rate recently, and let's be honest, it's really terrifying indeed.
She's here.
How do you know?
I've been checking her Foursquare.
With this phone?
No, with this phone.
Hey, she's here. Okay, let's go.
The existing solutions to crime would be My Distress. Imagine that you're all alone in the street and you suspect that you're being stalked, and it's difficult for you to contact the authorities to come assist you. So what do? Well, with this application, you can now alert the nearest police department of your situation with just one simple click, and the police will be on their way to help you. Anyways, one of our suggestions using location-based services would be by ensuring that the police have a record of your latest check-ins. Now, how does this work exactly? Let's say you click check-in on your app. The latest check-in will be then transformed into data that will be held by the police as a record. With it, the police will be able to keep track of your last location to ensure your safety all the time. Secondly, many people experience difficulties in finding a proper parking space, especially in shopping malls. Some existing solutions to this are boards that display the availability of parking bays that are currently vacant, or you can even use the jockey or valet services, at the cost of a higher price of course. Also, there exist sensors that are built in on top of each parking bay that notifies you of an empty parking spot. Here is one of our recommendations for the parking problems by using LBS. We all want to find parking spaces easily, don't we? The idea is to use LBS to detect the availability of parking spots in the shopping mall that you are in. It will then tell you the empty parking spots that are available. Even the route to the particular bay will be presented, therefore omitting all hassle involved when trying to get there. Another problem in our daily lives is the congestion at toll booths. The congestion is extremely time consuming. Right now, there are only a few ways to avoid the congestion, and that is through the use of touch and go cards and smart tags. Meanwhile, our suggestions towards this particular issue through the use of LBS is by implementing a tracking system along certain points of the highway that tracks your location through your mobile devices. An app would match your location to a preset toll rate. Users can then make toll payments with one click of a button through their mobile devices. With this, you can now enjoy a smooth journey on the highway without getting trapped at the toll booth again.